Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I got cough and strong cough because I'm not feeling well. So I'm gonna rest for this while. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in FIDE Grand Swiss 2025. First is Women's Swiss within round number 10 to 11. So two games analyzed here from this Women's Swiss, and also have a between from this grandmaster in India is Vaishali, the brotherhood of Pragnananda, versus the grandmaster in Ukraine is Maria Musichuk, the sister of Anna Musichuk. So later of this one, in this round number 10, next round number 11 is Grandmaster Tanzong from this next of the second game. So in this part of these videos here in this round number 10, and also have a analyze of the standings of FIDE Grand Swiss 2025 Women's Swiss. So white plates by Shali is e4, c5 Maria Musichuk Sicilian, knight f3, knight c6, and also d4 open Sicilian here, and also knight f6, and also knight c3, and also e5 threats the knights, and knight bd5. Without knight bd5, and also d6, and also knight d5. So these are the main lines here by used by bishop to g5. So it means these are the main lines. So these are the main lines. So the first common and second common by knight d5 by Vaishali, and also knight takes captured, takes, and also go back knight b8, and also rook g1. So these are a new move from this one in this battle of these games here. So these are the old main lines by recording by chess.com database is pawn to a4, pawn to c4, and queen to f3. So these are the old main lines. So new novelty, rook g1. So it means not found in this booklet. And also bishop e7 without upcoming by castling by Maria Musichuk, and also g4. So it means it's called by Keres attacks. So Keres attacks by this one by Grandmaster Paul Keres in this Russia. So it is called by Keres attacks here, and also knight d7, and also bishop e3, and also a6 without threats the knights, and also knight c3, and also bishop g5 without bishop to bishop, and bishop takes captured, queen takes bishop, and also queen d2 without queen to queen, without queen to queen, and Maria accepted queen takes, king takes, and also b5. So without strongest by black pieces, and also pawn a4. So within captured or maybe pushed by this one by b4. So b4 here, and this one by Maria Musichuk is pushed to b4. So if you capture this one, what do you think from this one? B takes a4, and also rook takes captured pawn. Without rook takes, and also knight takes, knight to b6. So knight b6 here. So threats the rooks here, and we then go back rook a1. So these are the examples. So examples from these continuations. And also, so back there, this one is push b4 without threats the knights, and also knight e4, and also king e7. So it means no need by castling because Indians here. So it means decided by this one castling. So used by castling king side by these black pieces. So it means so no need by castling. So decided by Maria Musichuk is king e7. So it means king's Indian. So no need by castling king side because the white and blacks here, and also a5, and also knight c5 without knight to knight, and also pawn f3, and also bishop to d7, and also knight takes, pawn takes, and also bishop c4, and also king d6, and also rook e1, and also pawn g5, and also h4 sacrifice. So sacrifice here and capture the sacrifice of f4. So another sacrifice by Vaishali, very strongest by white pieces by Vaishali here. And also f6. So if you capture this one, what do you think if you capture this? E takes f4 and also rook e4. So threatening the pawn without doubles. So both by pawns, and this one is rook h1 threats the pawn. Same by this triple pawns here without attacks. So it means so f6 by Maria Muzichuk and also g5. So first mark grade bad move by Vaishali. So the best moves there is rook e4. So if this one by rook e4, so these are the good slightly advantage from this whites here. So slightly advantage. So back there, this one is g5 by Vaishali and also captured, and also rook hf8 without threats the pawns, and also rook e7 without threats the pawns. So threatening the pawns, and rook takes captured pawns, takes, and also h3. So these are the defense the bishop and pawns here. So according this one by continuous, and also king e2, and also bishop f5 without threats by c2 by pawns, and also rook h4, bishop takes capture, rook takes, and also bishop e4. Bad move by Maria Muzichuk. So the best moves there, this one is king to e5. So these are the good slightly advantage from these blocks here. So according by Stockfish Computer. So back there is bishop e4 by Maria Muzichuk, and also king f2, king e5 by Maria Muzichuk, and also b3 by Vaishali, and also rook d8, and also rook e1, and also f3, rook h5 check, and also rook f5. Good move by Maria Muzichuk, and rook h6, and also king d4. Blunderatious by Maria Muzichuk. It's not about bad move but also blunderatious. So the best moves there, this one is rook to f4. So rook f4 here from this one. So these are the good slightly advantage here. So slightly advantage. So back there, this one is king d4 by Maria Muzichuk here, and also d6 brand x move by Vaishali. So branded move. So the branded move, this one is rook to h4. So rook h4. If you move by rook e5, and also rook takes captured, so rook e3. So rook e3. So rook e3 here. So it means so threatening the mating net. So threatening mating net. If you block, move backwards by rook e7, and also rook d3 check. So rook d3 check, and also king to e5. So if your rook takes capture check here, and also without sacrifice, and also king takes rook, and rook e3 check. If you move king d4, rook takes captured. So these are the easy from this one, from good slightly better from advantage from whites and blacks here. Slightly advantage here. So back there, this one is d6 by Vaishali, and also rook g5. Nothing special. Blunderatious. Another blunderatious by Maria Muzichuk. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to c6 or bishop to b7. So bishop to c6 and bishop to c7 is a best moves here. So bishop to c6 or bishop to c7, bishop b7. So I'm sorry, I got confused my brains here. So back there, this one is rook g5, and also rook h4. Good move by Vaishali, very strongest here. and also rook e5. So it means, so go back. So these are the rook h4 without good move, without threatening the bishop, without check, because these are the rook, doubles the rooks here, and also decided by rook e5 defense by Maria Muzichuk, and rook e3. Oh, threats this one by check, rook d3. So rook d3 check, and also rook backwards e8, and also d7, strongest by sacrifice by Vaishali, threatening the rooks. So threats the rooks here without promotes the queens. And also rook e7 and rook d3 check, sacrifice king e5, and rook takes bishop. So resigns by Maria Musichuk in Ukraine. So why she resigns? For example, if you move by king f5, only move here, and also rook takes captured. So it means, so fatal. So lose from blacks here. So another. So if you move by king takes captured, and also rook e3 check. So if you move by king to d4, rook takes captured. So fatal. Lose from these blacks here. So wins for whites. So the winner from this round number 10, Vaishali. So the score by a currency by Vaishali 91.4, and score by Black Maria Muzichuk 84.2. So winning Vaishali. So the next last round. So between from this Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi. So what do you think of this next second game? So let's see. So the next second game from this last round from this women's Swiss between Grandmaster Tan Zhong in China versus Grandmaster in India Vaishali. So who was the crown by win from this FIDE Grand Swiss women's Swiss? So let's see of this one of this second game. So white plays Tan is c4, c5 Vaishali, knight f3, and also knight f6, English opening symmetrical variation, and also g3. So these are the main lines here by used by knight to c3. So knight c3 is a main lines here. So it means, so move by g3 by Tan Zhongyi, and also d5 captured, and also bishop g2 upcoming by castling kingside by Tan here, and also knight c6, and also pawn d4 captured, knight takes, and also knight b4. So for example, if you do not capture, knight takes captured, so doubles the knights here. So it means, so queen takes captured knight. So these are the without bishop threats the knights, and this one, this queen threats the knights. So these are, be careful by eye to eye contacts here. So this one by move by knight db4. So knight bd4 by Vaishali. So very new strongest move, and also knight b5, and also bishop to f5, castling by Tan, and also a6 threats the knights, and knight 5 a3, queen takes accepted, rook takes, and also g6 by moving by dark square by bishop to g7 here, and also bishop d2, rook d8. Vaishali is a novelty. So these are the old main lines recording by bishop g7 is the old main lines here. So new novelty, rook d8 by Vaishali, and also knight to c3. So very strongest by Tan, and also bishop g7 upcoming by castling by Vaishali, and also knight c4, bishop c2 attacks the rook. So threatening the rooks here, and also rook dc1, and also b5 threatening the knights, attacks the counters attacks, and also a3 tempos attacks the knights. So tempos attacks, and pawn takes capture, good move, takes, knight takes, and also knight d5, brilliant move by Tan. So brilliant move, strongest by Tan Zhongyi, brilliant sacrifice, and knight takes, rook takes. So these are the Rook takes here. Castling by Vaishali. Rook takes captured. And also e6. And also e4 threats the knights. And also knight c7. And also rook b6 defends the pawns. And also rook b8, rook to rook. And takes. And also bishop c1 defends the pawns. And also c3 threatening the pawn. So counters attacks, these are the rooks, threats the pawns here. And also captured, and also knight b5. Oh, without knight b5. So these are the bishop without threats the pawns, or knight threats the pawns here. So these are the tempos attacks, the counters attacks. And also rook b2 without pins the rooks. So threatening the knights here. So threatening the knights or without pins. So do not capture knight takes captured pawn. So these are the rook captured, lost the rooks here. So lose from this one. Be careful from this one, eye to eye contact. And also rook a8 with idea by this one, rook to a1. Threats the bishop. So threatening the bishop. And also rook takes captured knight. And also rook a1, good move by Vaishali without threats the bishop, or queen the kings without check. So these are the rook without move controls by rook b8 without check. Tempos attacks the check here. And also rook b8 check, and also bishop f8, and also bishop f1. Bishop takes captured bishop. So these are the slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishop here. And also rook c8, and also king g7, king g2, bishop to b4. So do not capture this one. The pawn takes bishop. So these are the rook captured rook. So these are these troubles here. And also c4, and also rook c2, king f3, rook c3 check, and also king e2, rook c1, and also bishop h3, rook c2 check, and also king f1, good move by Tan, rook c1 check, and also king g2, h5, and also rook c7, and also king f8, f4. So upcoming by check here, and also rook c2 check, and also king g1, bishop c3, rook c8 check, king g7, rook c7, king f8, rook c8 check, king g7. So last round from this agree draw, or maybe 3 repetition draw from this last round. So the score by white by Tan is 98.9, and the score by Vaishali 99 points. So Vaishali champion from this women's Swiss. So the winner from this one, it is FIDE Grand Swiss 2025 Women's Swiss Grandmaster in India, Vaishali Ramesh Dadu. Congratulations from this one in this crowd by FIDE Grand Swiss. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka I call Mark 17. Have a good day and keep updates of this next chess updates. So I'm gonna rest from this while. So thank you so much, and bye bye.